Good afternoon, students. As we have been studying History Chapter 3 for very long time, now so many videos we have found related to this chapter and discuss a lot about the rise of Hitler and the Nazis. In the same concern, we shall again study something more about the same chapter. Today we shall start new topic with a new video. Let's discuss that. In 1933, Hitler said, "In my state, the mother is the most important citizen." But in Nazi Germany, all mothers were not treated equally. Women who bore racially undesirable children were punished, and those who produced racially desirable children were awarded. Race was the prominent figure of the Nazis. Those mothers who did not bore racially undesirable children, they were punished badly, and the women who bore or produced racially desirable मीन्स रंग के आधार पर जो उसी रंग के बच्चे को जन्म देती थी उसको अवार्ड दिया जाता था. दे वेयर गिवन फेवर्ड ट्रीटमेंट इन हॉस्पिटल्स एंड वेयर आल्सो entitled to concessions in the shops and on theatre tickets and railway fares. To encourage women to produce many children, honor crosses were awarded. A bronze cross was given for 4 children, silver for 6, and gold for 8 or more. In this way, the category was divided on the basis of reward: bronze, silver, gold. The maximum produced children, mothers were rewarded, and those who produced less children, they were rewarded from bronze, and maximum children producer were rewarded gold, as it is mentioned in this chapter. Means 6 and 8 gold, silver for 6 and gold for 8. All Aryan women who deviated from the prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and severely punished. Those who maintained contact with Jews, Poles, and Russians were paraded through the towns with shaved heads, blackened faces, and placards hanging around their necks, announcing, "I have sullied the honors of nation." See that those who disobey or dishonor the code of conduct made by Hitler were publicly punished, especially those women who did not obey the code of conduct. They were taken to the street, they were taken to the parade through towns, their heads were shaven, blackened, मुँह पे कालिक पोत दी जाती, उनको लटका दिया जाता सरेआम जो है खम्भों से, और उनके गर्दन के चारों तरफ घूम घूम के ये अनाउंस किया जाता कि हमने जो है राष्ट्र का अपमान किया है, सलिड द ऑनर ऑफ द नेशन. बहुत सारे मैनी रिसीव्ड जेल सेंटेंसेस एंड लॉस्ट सिविक ऑनर्स एज वेल एज देयर हस्बैंड्स एंड फैमिलीज फॉर दिस क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस. They lost their all the dignities, including their children, husband, families, as well as home. So we can imagine that how brutal and difficult treatment were made against the women in Hitler society, Nazi society. Now the point number next, 4.2, that is the art of propaganda. What was the art of propaganda? The Nazi regime used language and media with care and often to great effect. The terms they coined to describe their various practices are not only deceptive, they are chilling. Nazis never used the words kill or murder in their official communications. Mass killings were termed special treatment, final solution, euthanasia, selections, and disinfections. Evacuation means deporting people to gas chambers. Do you know what the gas chambers were called? Means those people who were a little criminal or anti-Aryans or anti-Nazis, they were given brutal treatment in German society. And those who were found non-German or engaged in any anti-German activities, they were taken to the gas chamber. What was the gas chamber? नाजी जो थे वो इस शब्द का कभी नहीं प्रयोग करते, जैसे किल और मर्डर, मार दो या मृत्यु को दे दो। वो अपने ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन में इस शब्द का प्रयोग नहीं करते थे। मास किलिंग्स वेयर टर्न स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट, फाइनल सलूशन। ये खास करके ज्यूस के लिए था, यहूदियों के लिए था, जो इनको अपनी भाषा में स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट और फाइनल सलूशन कहते थे। मास किलिंग करते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा की संख्या में इनको मार देते थे। और मतलब इनको गैस चैम्बर में डिपोर्ट कर देते थे, भेज देते थे। डू यू नो व्हाट द गैस चैम्बर वेयर कॉल्ड? क्या आप जानते हैं गैस चैम्बर को क्या कहते थे? दे वेयर लेवल्ड डिसइंफेक्शन एरियाज। ये इस एरिया को डिसइंफेक्शन एरिया कहा जाता था, गैस चैम्बर को, कि मतलब यहाँ सारे इन्फेक्शन ख़त्म। ज्यूज वेयर इन्फेक्शन फॉर देम एंड looked like bathrooms equipped with fake shower heads. Media was carefully used to win support for the regime and popularize its worldview. Nazi ideas were spread through visual images, films, radio, posters, catchy slogans, and leaflets. In posters, groups identified as the enemies of Germans were stereotyped, mocked, abused, and described as evil. मतलब in such a hatred way, the Jews were seen, gypsies were seen, and all the propaganda, the main idea of Nazis to spread their images through films, radios, posters। और पोस्टर में क्या करते थे कि इनको ग्रुप में इस इनेमीज को आइडेंटिफाई करते थे। जर्मन्स where stereotype groups identify as the enemies, stereotype, mock, abused, and described as evil. Socialists and liberals were represented as weak and degenerate. They were disglorified or unglorified in German society. They were attacked as malicious foreign agents. Propaganda films were made to create hatred for Jews. The most infamous film was The Eternal Jew. It was the most famous film. That was The Eternal Jew. Orthodox Jews were stereotyped and marked. They were shown with flowing beard wearing caftans, whereas in reality it was difficult to distinguish German Jews by their outward appearance because they were a highly assimilated communities. They were referred to as vermin, rats, and pests. Their movements were compared to those of rodents. Nazis worked on the minds of the people, tapped their emotions, and turned their hatred and anger at those marked as undesirable. In the world history, Nazis are remembered for their cruelty for the society. The Nazis made equal efforts to appeal to all the different sections of the population. They sought to win their supports by suggesting that Nazis alone could solve all their problems. In this way, we have seen the real face of Nazis and we have studied, you can see, up to the last of this video that what type of treatment Nazis did in their society against the humanity, against the God, and against all the natural facts. Now we shall go to stop this video. Rest we shall see in the next videos, and so many facts we shall come to know about. Till then, you have to prepare your all the tasks as prescribed through the PDF and videos. Till then, goodbye and good day. Thank you very much.